Hey friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how to create a histogram graph directly in Microsoft Word. Even though Word doesn't include a built-in histogram chart type like Excel, this video will guide you through the easiest and most effective method to create a clean, professional, and accurate histogram for school assignments, data reports, research papers, presentations, and business document. So let's get started. We can see here a document. Now I insert histogram chart on the last page. Go to the last page. Then go to the insert menu and select this chart option. Then we can see here many chart. Now I find the histogram chart. Here are two histogram like the simple histogram or the presto. Now I am select this histogram and click OK. We can see here the histogram and here the chart data on Excel. Here the series, you can change the series to this chart easily. Now I am close this and we can see here the chart. You can customize the chart, go to chart design and select your style of chart. Now I am select this style. Otherwise you can select another style. Now I am select this. You can change the color of the chart. You can select data or edit data. Otherwise you can change the type of chart here. You can add chart element like axis title, chart title, data labels, grid lines, etc. or legend. You can add anything. Otherwise you can rename the chart title. Now I am write the chart title histogram chart. Now we can see we insert histogram chart in Word very easily. You can use this chart anywhere like datasheet or presentation or your skill assignment, etc. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.